Good evening and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I thought I would do an updated skincare routine. I haven't done one of these videos in such a long time, but I have still been working on my skincare and I feel like I've got the routine down. So it's not a million steps long, it's pretty simple and straightforward, and I will link everything I show you in today's video in the description box down below. I also do think it has been helping with my perioral dermatitis flare-ups. Like, I can't actually tell you the last time I had one, so this routine is perfect for that. But I just want to mention I'm not a skincare professional, and this is purely what has been working for me. But without further ado, let's start today's video. So starting with a cleanser, I'm going in with my Dr. Sam's Flawless Cleanser. I've been using this for quite a while, and I actually found this specific cleanser when I was looking for perioral dermatitis recommendations on skincare, and it has been working. So I use this morning and evening. I just do one cleanse in the morning, two in the evening. But if I do have quite a bit of makeup on, then I usually will use this as my first cleanse and then the Dr. Sam's as my second cleanse. So this one is just the Body Shop Chamomile makeup cleansing butter, and this melts away any makeup, even waterproof mascara. So I do really like this one, but as like a everyday cleanser, it's a little bit too much, I'd say. So I just pump this onto dry skin. I use 2 pumps and it comes out as this like jelly sort of liquid, and I rub that all over my skin. I rub it in for about a good minute, and I will add a splash of water as well if it does get a little bit dry. So I'll just add a splash of water now. I just add it to my hands and it makes it feel super silky. So I'm now going to wash that off, and I literally will just pop my hands under the running water and rinse it away. I don't really use any cloths or anything. So I've dabbed my skin dry a little bit now, but as you can see it is still quite wet. And I'm just going to go in with 1 squirt now and rub it in for about 30 seconds to a minute. So the first cleanse is usually to get rid of like any debris or makeup on your face, and then this cleanse gets right into the pores. So again, now that I'm happy that that's fully cleansed, I'm just going to rinse my face. Okay, step number 2, I'm going to go in with my number 7 Total Renew Exfoliator. This is a really gritty, fine exfoliator and I love it. It's like a skin buff. I only use this once to twice a week depending how my skin is, so it's usually a Wednesday evening or a Sunday, but with us doing the skincare routine I thought I would do this step today. So this is just the one, and it's super easy to use. So I'm very generous with this one, and I just rub it all over my skin, especially in areas where I get like build-ups of dry skin, so around my nose especially, and I just rub it in circular motions. I'm not sure if you can see, but the texture is like really fine and gritty, but I love it. I do tend to avoid like my eye area when I use this, just because obviously your eye area tends to be like more sensitive skin, so I don't think it needs exfoliating as much. But I do also like to use this on my lips and give my lips a bit of an exfoliation at the same time. And again, I rub this in for a good minute, just focusing on all the areas that I do get that build up. So once I'm happy, I'm just gonna again rinse that away with just some lukewarm water. Step number 3, now that my face is fully cleansed, exfoliated and thoroughly dry, I'm going to go in with my current body mask. This is a red LED mask, it's the Series 2 mask, and I love this. I use it every other day and it's literally a 10-minute session, but I do think it makes the biggest difference to my skin. So I'm going to pop her on and then wait the 10 minutes. I usually just go and sit down and either read or watch a little bit of TV. So I just pop her in place, adjust it so it's comfortable, and then press and hold this button until the red light comes on, and that is it. So I wait 10 minutes now and then we will be back. So now that my red light mask's finished, we're going to go in with a toner, and this is the one that I've been using. I have been loving this recently. It's the Fenty Skin Fat Water. It's the Pore Refining Toner Serum, and I absolutely love this stuff. Since using this, I have noticed the biggest difference with my pores. So again, I'm relatively generous with this. I put about that much onto my palm. I'm not sure if you can see that. But it's like a really thick water. So you know, like micellar water is super runny. This is like a thick version of it. So I just rub it into my palms and then all over my skin. Sometimes I will add a bit more just to my fingertips so I can really get into like around my nose area. Especially because that's obviously where I usually get my pores. So I just have a generous amount on my skin. And that time, that has fully like soaked in already, so I'm just gonna add that again basically. And that step just feels super refreshing and hydrating to the skin. You can already see it has given my skin such a gorgeous glow. And we haven't even finished yet. Going in with step number 5, I use an eye cream. This one is gorgeous. It's the Clarins Total Eye Lift, and I actually got this in a set from my family as a birthday present, and this is definitely one I will carry on using once I've run out. So I just apply. In fact, I actually am already running out. So I just apply the smallest amount to both eyes. Can you hear blue? And again, that actually probably is a bit too much, but we're going to use it. Especially on these super tired eyes today. So I'm just going to use my ring fingers now and slowly and gently just smooth that around my lower eye, go over the top of my eye as well, and then dab it into at the end. I also like to leave a relatively thick layer of this still around my eye, just to let my skin like do the work and fully soak in. So that is my eye cream on. Okay, step number 6, this is going to give you that glow. I only use this like every other day and I use it in the evening just to allow my skin to really soak this in during the night because it's quite an oily product, but I love it. So this is the Clarins Blue Orchid Treatment Oil, and it moisturizes, restores radiance, and that is exactly what I need. So I literally just apply a few dots on my skin. And then just the tips of my fingers I use to rub that fully into my skin, and you will see that it leaves the skin super glowy, and it does feel relatively thick on the skin. However, this sinks in to make the most beautiful glossy skin. I absolutely love this stuff and it smells incredible. So I'm just gonna use my fingers to massage this into my face. I'm not like rubbing it, I just want it gently massaged into the skin. I sort of do it as a bit of a facial. And you could definitely gua sha at this step because this stuff will allow anything to just run so smoothly across the skin. So that is the oil fully rubbed in, and look how glowy it has made my skin already. I usually leave this on, so I'll do my skincare routine, then maybe we'll watch a film or something. When I come to brush my teeth, I'll then put my evening moisturizer over the top of it, but I just like them to soak in individually. Obviously, with us doing the skincare routine now, I may as well just get on to the next step, but yeah, loving this so far. Which leads us to the final step in my skincare routine, and that is my moisturizer. Obviously it's the evening now, so I am using this one. It's the Clinique Moisture Surge, and this is the intense one. You can just get Moisture Surge, and that's more of like a daytime moisturizer. This one is a bit more rich and creamy, and obviously a bit thicker for the evening to allow your skin to do that work. For the daytime, I've actually been using a couple at the minute, but I'd say this one is my favorite at the minute. It's the Clarins Hydra Essential, and I just think, one, it smells amazing. Two, it really gives you that hydrating boost that you more than likely are gonna need in the morning. So yeah, really have been liking this one, but time for my evening moisturizer. I love this stuff. And again, I'm pretty generous with the amount I use. Not forgetting like the neck and chest area as well. And obviously I don't need to like fully go over my eye area just because we've done the eye cream, so you want to allow that to do its own work. And again, I leave quite a thick layer of that on my skin, just so when I'm sleeping, it can fully sink in and absorb into my skin. But yeah, look how glowy that has made me. From the start of this video to now, it has completely transformed my skin. But I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I will link all the products that I used in the description box down below, so don't forget to check that out before you leave. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next video.